In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an element to a new design using Canva. If you've ever created a design and wanted to transfer elements seamlessly from one project to another, this guide is just for you. Let's dive right into the process to ensure you can do this effortlessly. First things first, you'll need to select the file from which you want to copy an element. Go ahead and open Canva and locate your design. This is generally the initial step to ensure you're starting from the right place. Once you have the design page open, you can begin to strategize on how to organize and move your desired elements. Next, you'll want to change your view to make things a bit easier. Look for the grid icon within Canva. Clicking this icon will switch your view to a grid layout, providing a clear and organized perspective of your design elements. This visual arrangement will make it simpler to pick and choose exactly which elements you want to transfer to another design. Navigating with a grid view streamlines the selection process by presenting a comprehensive overview of all your elements. Now comes the part where you select the pages you need. Hold down the Shift key and start selecting the pages or elements that you want to move. By holding the Shift key while clicking, you can select multiple pages at once. This method not only saves time but also ensures that you don't miss any elements that might be positioned across different pages. If you're dealing with a more complex project with multiple sections or graphics, this is a valuable technique. Once you've made your selections, it's time to copy them. Press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy the selected elements. This function works just like the conventional copy method you're probably already familiar with. It ensures that your selected elements are now temporarily saved to your clipboard, ready to be transferred. With your items copied, navigate to the Canva design where you intend to paste these elements. Open the new design on Canva where you're planning to continue working or combining elements. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for where your copied elements will be reutilized. Finally, it's time to paste your elements. Simply go ahead and press Ctrl and V. This will paste the copied elements into your new design, and you can adjust them as needed within this new context. Voila! You've successfully transferred your design components into a fresh canvas, ready for any further customization or resizing you may wish to carry out. With these steps, you can now seamlessly move elements across designs in Canva, optimizing your workflow and tapping into your creative potential without any hindrance. Happy designing?